Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the featured image section. The featured image section allows you to highlight key products by displaying a prominent visual. It's designed to capture visitors' attention, showcase important products or promotions, and ultimately increase engagement and sales. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the featured image section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the featured image section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the featured image section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Featured Image, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the featured image section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, and both. Use container size to control how wide the featured image section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. You can choose an image for the section by uploading or selecting one from your media library. You can also add an image link to make the image clickable and redirect users to a specific page or product. Match the featured image section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. And that's it. Your featured image section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.